Three declaration, Arabic, English, and Tagalog. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. So in English, I bear witness that there is no other God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger, a prophet of Allah. Okay. In Tagalog, ako'y nanunumpa at ako'y sumasaksi na walang ibang Diyos na sasambahin maliban kay Allah. At ako'y sumasaksi rin si Muhammad ay kanyang sugo at propeta. At ako'y sumasaksi rin na si Jesucristo na anak ni Maria ay kanyang sugo at propeta. Takbir!
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Alhamdulillah.